7 Natural Earwax Remedies. 1. Mustard oil for earwax removal. Mustard oil is a natural product that facilitates the removal of excess earwax. Its antimicrobial properties create a protective barrier against germs and reduce your risk of infection. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Rinsing your ears with a little apple cider vinegar will decrease excess earwax and restore your natural pH. Applying this product will reduce the presence of microorganisms, control inflammation, and prevent the development of infections. 3. Paraffin oil. This oil will slow down the production of earwax while softening what has already accumulated. How should you use it? Warm the product a little and apply 3 or 4 drops to the ear with the help of an eardropper. Keep your head tilted for a few minutes and then allow it to drain out. 4. Almond oil. Among the many applications for almond oil, it happens to be a great way to clean your ears. How should you use it? Pour a little almond oil into a dropper, apply 3 to 4 drops to the affected ear, and hold your head in a horizontal position for 10 minutes. After this time, drain the liquid and wipe the outside of your ear with a soft cloth. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda's unique properties can help cleanse your ears, soften earwax, and protect you against microorganisms. 6. Garlic. The antibiotic properties of garlic facilitate the cleansing of the ear canal and slow bacteria and fungal growth. How should you use it? Mash a couple of garlic cloves and heat them in a frying pan with a little olive oil. Wait for this to cool, remove the pieces of garlic, and apply the product on one of your ears using a piece of cotton. Wait for a few minutes for it to take effect and rinse with warm water. Clean the area with a soft cloth and repeat the procedure for the other ear. 7. Coconut oil. The fatty acids contained in coconut oil, in addition to its antibacterial powers, make this one of the best alternatives for cleaning and protecting your ears. How should you use it? Heat a small amount of coconut oil and apply it to your ears with the help of a dropper. Wait around 5 minutes, drain any excess, and wipe the exterior using a soft cloth. Repeat this at least once a month. As you've seen, there are lots of options for removing excess earwax without harming your inner ear canal. Avoid using cotton swabs or other tools that can ultimately damage your hearing. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.